Ama Yensaka said Kotoko you interested in Ishmael Adam of Heart of Lions. Na unse no under 20 team no he's one of the best. Now a player me sure say even before say Zito Webarna Coach Ogumaka has said because one of the interviews at Coach Ogumani Asante Media here, no. And now we'll be a question about the local based players who deserve Blasters call up, no. Go to after so ball Kotoko players, you know. Other names or boy, you know, na Ishmael Adui to Tunani Dinka. And now try say if you are a follower of the Ghana Premier League, you know what this boy can do, especially in the middle. And no believe we say as I say national team for no 8 mission na omoko fano na he was even calling say Onya Blasters. I'll come to the profile and what he brings to the party. Me to a central midfielder. And what me 6, 8 me 8 nibi. And the age and so 18, 19 years or below 20, will be all under 20 they say. And the young player. But he has been doing it for about 3 seasons near for Heart of Lions. Now, I'll come to the profile and other things. But some and I a book to company for Basso. The kind of transfers some year, you know. But to January, you know, who transfer and so. Kotoko second round. Omuntimi catch up you know transfers ne kan pa. Last season we are na Kotkoja players be required. There's no need to mention the names. By replacement ni be Mohamed Kamara. Yebenya Lord Amwa. No to there even questions about Brukum Chelsea players. Because the previous season Nadia Kalu Watara. And even Henry Ansu Abe no na Didier ni ho. But Kotoko went back to Chelsea for a right back in Lord Amwa and a left back in Patrick Essiedu. And we to normally instant fan favorite, especially Lord Amwa. Also, Essiedu the one start you. We don't say that Sudan, you know, is smart and a started so obo. And so later, Obe pra ama Essiedu ababebo. Essiedu started so obo na no be up and asem. We to Samba. The Samba Bayern also Sergio Ramos. The first game was against Heart of Folk, no Koje man of the match. Instantly no be about Samba Abaso. Say, send your car so a Ramos idea, Bibia Chereso betime adwuma. Later, send you Joseph Ablo. And then people like, hey, and he Ablo no so ya dear. So now Shakotko signings now. Lord, Kamara Kotko Kael on a man of the match. That time Frederick Asayo, Blasters. Samba Ablo. Oben Finfi Obizoto, Emmanuel Enchi. First game, excellent. Kotoko, Techiman, Young Apostles, excellent goal. No, say, Etwa Sukrenya Blasters call up. Then Saka Dauda started coming. Albert Amwa, no to say, Kotko signings, no. Amount for baby like, now Albert Amwa will be our 5 goals today. Oh, yeah, they cast a replacement for Mukwala. Because now she did Mukwala 14 goals or quoi. But Albert, after 2-3 matches, after that, she told for oh, Kotko, after a good player. But now the conversation was that after say even Jacob any smart pair baby fire. Maybe be actually say January say Kotko ye meaningful signing. But no credit dey clear. Kwesi Asante Ambobo aba Kotko etwa ne contract. Eno na make ho asem zo to. This is a player. You see do from middle of September out to October and abo Kotoko left one yem for bi beka ho. Maybe a match is to say FA Cup because see no woman. No. That was not the story. See the boy this is a complete F on the transfer market. Tolakakofa player in less than 6 months now be trying to contract me for a position that you were in dire need of somebody. Kotoko right back Ajete had some 2-3 matches be and went off. Kotoko Musa right back one Kote Pra the rest of the season to Bobo. It was the alternative to compete with Lord Amwa. But to Tuasha Lord Amwa Pra we've seen more of Michael Sefa on the right side, Justice Blay on the right side than Daniel Adjeti. Enti Adjeti no so akotokoko fa no so on behye nifa ho nya adwuma ne mom no no kura no so sem so tuo ono so agu so. Enti we kire ho nipa abeka se oba ya odi bibia abeka ho ya Michael Sefa dem go fa no free Port City no. And one thing is clear. Also Kwesi Asante no di team. No two kwan no oba. Adjeti Mr. Tuo no wa two kwan no oba. But Sefa de no obobo Port City. Enti time oba after 2 days training no got 20-man squad. Central Phobia Ogumogum see he was already playing football. Mr. Tuo, one lesson here say a player who was already active and what me be sell than no on attack. Number 2 kwan omoba or may training here justified. So they failed on the right back alternative and the left back alternative. Akofa head the Cabre Kotoko. Now you look at the attack. Kwame Poku. Now when you Isaac Minta and Samson Aduku. We will your mom 2 kwan omoba. Between the three, nipa baako who say or the bibi abeka kotoko team no is significant. Kwame Poku, Isaac Minta hu so, Samson Aduku hu so. Inti general na kotoko decide say me fa players the abeka say they metimi atoa so compete for the league no to ubetimi akase mienu out of 7 and aboa kotoko. Because Benjamin Chum goalkeeper no to oba no ontimi betu Kamara and ontimi betu Frederick Asare. The only game Yahusu Akoda was Kotoko second half against Isu Atremai after say Kamara did red card. So to go and look at the kind of goal he considered and namne na koto on it. The 7 players our second round transfer window 2 and then Isu Adi and I say obeka somebody bibi abeka. So Kotoko entimi accelerating especially in the league. Ebra home away no was because of their January signing. But omunya a good start to a league no was because summer signing no was much better than the January signing. Lessons should be learned. Yebe uremu was summer yi ese Kotoko saye proper signing biem. Eni kwan say akoye January die ni bi. Was so to and January die ni ma chance. Why on bet me jabe 7 or 5 on bet me jabe 5 for so kwan. Cause me dike jaba akokra kwan dada. Next I'm the black club no. Financially it will cost you because most of them no me omo me to call moba. To the price ne be osoro. The salary ne be normal salary a wakofa division 1 ni and division 2 ni. Obu atu kwa ba de the salary no osoro. 2 the impact you expected on your team when team be deliver. The sabre and common starting no. Obonsan go back to Kwame Fast here in the summer because summer and the two it was better. Ablo, Samba, Siedu, even a smart. Before say smart, but Konobiaji to say he was a good player. You laugh what he was doing on the left side. And then be the see. Tinana Penkra, no to coach Akwesi Apia, coach Karim Zito, and coach Malik Jabel. I have a fan so many basically the leaders of Asante Korokoro. Technical advisor.
Director.
Technical director /
Okay.
interim head coach. The
And Akutosu
administrative manager.
Oh, okay.
See the ever catch them and say, "Go to Omunya tre, no more penny." And you can say, "Quay player or no ball match back." Our yard into the next moment. Now we break it bank a friend. So what scout player now we did so about to take your time and monitor the player. We are sure I can bear 4 matches to end the season. Or maybe a short list of players be on manager. But this is the time because what are they? So but be about 100,000 Ghana cedis. And we can offer player no be floppy. And can pay coach. But to say coaches no. License big the license C for the baby around. So we pay you and I'm yensa. And I would see a mugu more without payroll so busumi be as some of the any say. Ebia watch away for Bono any Ebia North. Where you for it sounds like to Ghana League no division 1 they achieve 3 zones. To the Pebako for zone A no. pe baako for zone B na pe baako for zone C na adwuma no yɛ sɛ mo notice player bi a mo bedman akɔ on constant basis to go and observe and watch the matches of the player. Also, Nana Ajimaya complaining about the Ghana Premier League. You to know, say there are some of the teams you even struggle to get their highlights. And so it depends on match. I own any boy, and a match on a house boy, which is likely say better TV so pay. Sir, and no scouting report on the player. Obeba be go any masse. Obeba ma won sa be si form. And to Sabre I'm so to with 4 matches to go. Ebia enye house no kotko. They should get coaches to monitor some of these players. Now, I'm proper data. Because you will play or enough support system. And also, our players are more complementing with team no bonintino. And I idea. Baby, I will quit in the bar. And you man, our person or you know. Our person no kwame no betiari. For instance, Amankuna Chelsea. And if you want to book Chelsea matches, Adia Baku Air Clan is a Steven Amankuna Bitutu. Without the ball, he contributes less to the team. On only the NSA say he is in the system. They are working to feed him. It's all Kofaneba Kotoko. Now we saw a Shabia 10 goals. It will expect us 10 goals. Now say, on defending whilst he has the ball. The truth of the matter is, he will struggle because the support system, a man here selling with Chelsea, no, wouldn't be Kotoko. Because the Kotoko system is demanding something new from him. From adaptation plus expectation. Adapting to the Kotoko system plus the expectation from the fans, you know. Whenever I'm supposed to no to so. Thank you. So omun take you more time. And your Kotoko to hard to folk is also similar. Omun shape players ni omunya enough data. You see him say Kotoko for left back. There should not be repeat of Akwesi Asante Diano. Say locally, Francis Akwana ope, say Eric Osebo na ope, say Bismarck idea of a year Heart of Lions na opa monitor the player. Send your Kofaneba, your investment will not go waste. It's a simple advice to Kotoko, especially about Africa. To Africa, Ninyamba Mupe, Obetiasi, former Ghanaian player B, Oko Rwanda, Waba, most were trained in 2 days. Yes, you sign. Obaba Bakus Kai Eka. Ya tre kroma na Kotoko abeg money ade because of Africa ni akofa ba ye. So they should take their time with the transfer this particular window.